Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. Let me just bring this up. So, Dow has had a pretty big sell-off in comparison to the S&P. So we are down pretty much 5% at the moment from the highs of 2 weeks ago. So at the moment, I'm looking for an area where there should be structure, and there's a couple of things on offer here. So let's just get to those major levels on the 8 hour. The first one is right here at 3,300, and the next one is at 32,800. So look at my oscillators. Oscillators are grouped beautifully to the downside, indicating we should be looking for a level, and this is on the 8 hour. And I think even if you come to the daily, we can see we've eased off quite nicely. So for me, the trick at the moment is watch and see. So we've had our opportunity to short. This little episode last week was a bit confusing, but then we just sort of sank again. And I'm looking for structure, and obviously the first bit of structure is, as I say, 3,300 and then 32,800 or 32,820 area. And if we come to the hour, you'll see that's exactly the area where all the chaos is at the moment, and price is pretty much in that zone right now. So my advice on this one, it's a little bit different to the S&P. I'm just going to drop to the 15-minute here. So trend is down, right? You can see that there's no debating that at the moment. Trend is down. This is the trend line. So you're going to be seeing kind of the close of Friday playing a major role in today's price action. So wouldn't be too surprised to see it bounce up to the trend line, 33,200, bounce back. But what we're looking for in the 15-minute now is a higher low. So this is the new low. We're looking for price to come up, bounce, hits its head off some kind of area, and that structure is going to be here, 33,200. Then I'm looking for it to come back down and form a higher low on the 15-minute. That would give me the potential for a break of this trend line. Another way of looking at this is to wait and see what happens here at 33,200, see if we can get above it, come back and test it, hold it, and then you'd be looking for some kind of move to the upside. Just be wary of the moving averages. As you can see how far apart they are, I'm pointing down. So I don't anticipate price breaking through that just yet, but I do anticipate that the moving average will start coming together for either another consolidation phase, because we are in an area of interest here, quite a bit of interest, or alternatively just sort of consolidation phase for another move down, or consolidation phase for a move up. And that's kind of the structure that I can see at the moment. So it's kind of wait and see for me. This could be a fairly decent area. You can see there was an engulfing pattern there, which didn't really materialize, and now we've got a second pattern here. So this, to me, could potentially be a double bottom. I know it doesn't look like that, but if you have a look at it on a Bollinger Band, that'll give you it'll give you the clue. I think if I've got Bollinger set up here, it's all black. I know you can't see the black, but if you look at the Bollinger here, you'll see that's outside the Bollinger, and this is inside the Bollinger. That's a Bollinger W pattern. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. It's a wait and see, not interested in shorting anymore. At the moment, we are in a fairly big area of potential support here. So I'm not looking for shorts. I'm looking for structure and looking to buy off the structure for a move to the upside. But it's going to be messy, so you're going to find resistance off areas like here at 33,300 and over here at 33,470. So you'll definitely find some resistance off those levels as well. But I think this is just a nice big range that is starting to set up on the Dow. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up later. Cheers for now.